Hello guys, today I'll show you how you can create this cool feature for your video. Uh, let's say you played some multiplayer game, co-op game with your friend, and both of you have a footage from your gameplay, and you want to show your viewers this gameplay from both perspectives, yours and your friends. And for this I will use DaVinci Resolve 18, which is available for free. It also is available in paid pro version with some more features, but for this it will be sufficient. Okay, the link for the download will be in the description, so go and grab it and install DaVinci Resolve and run it. This is what you will see when you launch DaVinci. So hit here in create new project. Let's call it Deathwing PIP or whatever you want here. And here is the main window of DaVinci. We will be editing the video, so go here in the edit tab, and I have prepared, where is it I've downloaded my stream of Deathwing when I played with Mike, and I have also Mike's video from our gameplay. So I'm grabbing both of them and dragging them here in where it says no clips in media pool. Now DaVinci asks if you want to match the frame rates of the project to your footage frame rates. Click change, and for some reason only one got imported, so let's add the another one. So here is how it looks like. So first I'm going to mute the sound because I don't want you to hear it right now. We will be using the audio track. So go grab the main footage, as you can see here. This will be the main footage. It will be always shown, and as a second one, grab the footage which will be in the small frame. As you can see, probably Mike's footage here is covering my footage. So what you can do here, there is a zoom option here. Make it smaller. When you see this icon, it means you will be changing one, will change the other one, the other value here. And now we need to move it a little bit to the right, or to the left, or to the right, and move it a little bit higher, somewhere here, for example. And here is how it looks like, sorry. But these videos are not synchronized. For this particular both videos, it's hard to sync them. But if you are recording your video with your friend, the good thing to do is when you are both connected in the game and both of you are recording already, one of you, since you will be making the video, make a specific sound, say something specific, preceded with silence. For example, 2 seconds of silence. You say start, and then silence again, 2 seconds of silence, and you can start playing the game normally. So you saying start will be recorded on both of the videos, so it will be really easy to find here on the audio tracks, because we will use them to match the videos. What I found in this particular case, as you can see, I will both video each they are my videos are has different duration, and what I found is that when I move this to the end, match them to the at the end, so they are ending in the same time, it's easier for me to it was easier for me to find the right spot here. Okay, holding Alt and scrolling your mouse will allow you to zoom on your timeline and to find and match the videos. Let's mute, for example, let's mute Mike's footage and let's see what I'm saying here. Oh, I need to unmute this. Can you see the briefing? Yeah. Can you see the briefing? Okay. And I think I'm saying this here on the timeline. Can you see the briefing? Yep. So, okay. So what I need to do here, let's check that again. Can you see the briefing? Can you see the briefing? And here, can you see the briefing? Yep. So what I need to do is move this here so it's easier for me to see, and I need to move this somewhere here. And let's see. Can you see the briefing?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. There's still a little bit. It's not synchronized too well. But can you see the briefing? Here is.
Yeah.
Okay, so maybe I will need to match this like that.
Yeah.
Okay. So deploy. Yeah, they're kind of a little bit shifted, but it's much better now. So let's mute Mike's track, Mike's audio track here, and let's see.
He has like 4.
When the game starts. Okay, so you don't have to worry too much about the audio, since you will only need one audio track of your choosing. Pick whatever you want, but I think the best one for you will be to use that audio track of the video which is showing as a main video here. Okay, so Mike is walking. Yeah, that's about right. It is Control F.
Massive.
I know, you do too. Look at the size of that.
Yeah,
sword.
that's pretty good.
Yeah, these armors.
And yeah, that's how you can make synchronized videos. So let me select this and use the blade tool so I can slice the video here. I don't need that part. I don't need this audio here, so let's delete this. And I have synchronized videos. Well, this is not the perfect, but it's, for me, it's good enough. Especially that wasn't meant to be used as a PIP for the PIP feature here. Yeah, and that's it. And then when you slice your videos, you have it synchronized. Go here to deliver, if I'm not mistaken, input the name of video, browse where do you want to save this. For me it's E in record on the E drive recordings. Pick your preferred format and codec and all the other stuff. I think no, I'm not sure if it's because both of the video files here are at 30 frames per second, or is it a limitation of free version of DaVinci Resolve. I'm not sure about that, but I can only select the frame rate of 30 fps. You can select the quality here, or actually set the kilobytes per second bitrate. Select the encoding profile. Some advanced settings. Yeah, a lot of them. Subtitle settings even. And add to render queue. And then you hit render all. It will take some time to render if it's a long video, or if you add different special effects, it will take longer to render. But yeah, this is how you can do it. I hope that helps, and see you in the next video. Bye.